If you live in Hapeville, then please pay attention to this important information I'm about to share with you. Hi, I'm Georgia Attorney Gary Martin Hayes. Violent crimes are on the rise in your city. Hapeville continues to see an increase in staggering violent crimes within its community, which are far above the national average. And these crimes include murders, reported rapes and sexual assaults, shootings, armed robberies, and arsons. In 2015, Hapeville saw 580 violent crimes adversely affect the community. In fact, Hapeville had 294 more crimes committed in 2015 than the national average of only 286 per year. 64% of these crimes were thefts, with reported rapes and sexual assaults accounting for 24 of the violent crimes. Now, here's some more shocking statistics regarding sexual assault. In Hapeville, there are 55 registered sex offenders. The ratio of number of residents to the number of sex offenders is 122 to 1. Sexual assaults and rapes have been on a continued rise in your community for the past 5 years. In fact, reported rapes in Atlanta are up approximately 30%. Each year, there are about 237,000 sexual assaults in the United States, and some suggest as much as 60% of sexual assaults are never reported to police. It's important to note that if an attack occurs within a business, an apartment complex, or a parking lot, the commercial establishment can potentially be held liable. Under Georgia law, these businesses have a duty to exercise ordinary care to prevent foreseeable third-party criminal acts. So please, if you live in or around Hapeville, I encourage you to be vigilant. Don't put yourself in a situation where you are an easy target. And remember, when you're out and about, there is safety in numbers. If you've been injured due to a violent crime, including being the victim of a sexual assault, rape, shooting, or stabbing, we understand the difficulty you're going through, and we have the experience and the resources to protect your rights and fight for justice. I encourage you to call us right away for a free confidential consultation. Just pick up the phone right now and give me a call at 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. Again, 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. Now, to learn more about me, about my law firm, please visit GaryMartinHayes.com.